Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our exciting English news show.
That's right, we are the 6th grade students and will be your host for today's show.
We have a fun-filled show with lots of cool sections prepared by our amazing classmates.
Absolutely, from weather updates, sports, cooking, and music to some amazing interviews and fun quizzes.
So let's get started. First up, we have our weather report from Ising. I'm hoping for some sunshine today.
Let's see if they'll make our day even brighter with their weather forecast.
Hello, one Monday, the weather was sunny. Hello, one Tuesday, the weather was sunny. Hello, on Wednesday, the weather was sunny. Today is sunny. Hello, tomorrow, Friday, will be and sunny and cloudy.
Thanks to Ising for that weather update.
Looks like we're in for a sunny day, perfect for outdoor activities.
But remember to stay hydrated if it gets hot. Now, let's switch gears and check out some cool commercials from E3.
Next, let's take a look at some super creative commercials from the E3. I can't wait to see what they've come up with.
I'm sure they'll amaze us with their innovative ideas.
Hello, what's your name?
Misha,
What is this?
car,
What color is it?
wet,
How much does it cost?
18.
Goodbye.
Goodbye,
Hello, what is your name?
Savannah,
And your name?
Lisa,
What is this?
Mr. Potato, shoes,
Very good. Very good.
eyes, mouth, no, ears, hat, arms,
Are you playing with Mr. Potato? Yes. How much does Mr. Potato cost?
3.
3 euros. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Whoa! We're some fantastic brothers.
Great job, E3.
Now let's see how much we know with a quiz prepared by E4.
I like quizzes.
Hello. Today we are going to do some quizzes. What color is the sky? 1 blue, red, 3 yellow, blue. What animal says meow? 1 duck, 2 cat, 3 mouse. Cats. season is hot and sunny. 1. Winter. 2. Summer. 3. Autumn. Summer. Goodbye.
That was such a fun quiz.
Well done to everyone who participated.
It's time to get our chef hats on. Let's see what the first grade is cooking up for us today.
I can already smell the delicious food. What are they making today?
Hello everybody, welcome to our cooking show. Today we're going to do something color and fruit. We make some fruit skewers. We need several fruits. Here is one we need. Watermelon. Pineapple. Strawberries. Melon. Now let's see which kitchen tools we need. A chopping board. A knife. A big bowl. A strainer to wash fruit. And skewer. First, we wash the fruit. Second, we cut the watermelon. We cut the pineapple. Let's cut the strawberries. We cut the melon. We taste a skewer. With all fruit. Be careful and ask for help. Look out the skewers. It's a healthy snack. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.
Yum, that recipe looks absolutely delicious. I think I'll try making that at home.
Great job, first grade. It looks so tasty. Now, let's find out what's happening in the world of sports. We'll hear from third grade.
I like sports.
Hello, we are Benas and Theo, and we love tennis because it's very fun and the tennis rackets are really cool. Goodbye.
Hello. We are Agnès and Agnès. We are from French grade. We love dancing because it makes us happy. It's the best part of the day. We love dancing songs. It's fun. We are really good at it. Thank you for listening. Goodbye. We love the dancing. We love dancing. We love dancing. Trying. Hi, I'm Amelia. I'm Lina. I'm Sofia today. I'm Anaïs. I'm Ada. I'm Daria. I'm Zoe. We love doing gymnastics because we can learn lots of new things. It's very good for your health and your hydrating.
You're practically an expert.
We recommend you to they are good at basketball. Goodbye. So, our names are Valentino, Benjamin, Alex, Mark, Elian, Aaron, Ulrich, and Marlos. We like football because it's fun. We can play with our friends. And you can play by your friends. Bye. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Hello, my name is Sofia. I like karate because it's fun and I'm learning to defend myself. Goodbye.
Thanks to the 3rd grade for that awesome sports report. I think I need to join one of those teams. That was so much fun to watch.
We have a special report from the students of 5th grade A. They've been interviewing of the children from primary school.
That's right, they asked them a fun question. What's your favorite school subject? Let's find out what they said.
Hello, today we are going to the survey. We are going to ask to do first grade.
They are Marla and Justina. Hello Marla, what is your favorite subject? PE. Oh, it's amazing.
Hello, Justina. What is your favorite subject?
Art.
Oh, me too.
Goodbye.
Hello everyone, today we're going to ask questions about favorite subjects in 2nd grade. Now my classmates are ready to do the questions.
Yes, Alina, we are in the school. Agnès, the teacher, is ready to do the questions. Hi, guys!
Now we're going to do a survey to two students from 2nd grade about subjects.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Mark.
Can I ask a question for you, please?
Yes.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is PE.
How good! Thanks you for participating. Goodbye!
Hi, what's your name? My name is Gala. Hi Gala, what's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is PE. Oh, nice. I like it too. Bye, Gala. Bye.
Well, that's all. Thanks for paying attention.
If you paid attention,
See you all.
goodbye!
Hello, my name is Martin and we're going to ask the class of 3rd.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Aaron.
Nice, Aaron. What's your favorite subject?
PE.
Hello, what's your name? My name is Marcelo. Nice, Marcelo. And we want to ask to you, what's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is PE.
Thank you, goodbye.
Hello, we're gonna ask to 4th grade. What's your name?
My name is Dakota.
What's your favorite subject?
English.
What's your name?
My name is Kaya.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is art.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Hello, my name is Leire and today we will present a survey for a class 5B.
Hello, Jan. Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is PE.
Hello, Frank. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is PE, Spanish and English.
Thank you, Frank and John, for your opinion. Hello, we are going to add to the 6th grade.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Ruby.
And what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is arts and English.
Oh, okay, thank you. Hello, what is your name?
My name is Alfonso.
What is your favorite subject?
PE. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thanks to 5th grade A for that wonderful survey. It's time for a chat with the 5th grade B students. Today they'll be telling us about a place they love to visit. Anyways, that sounds exciting. Let's find out which countries or cities are on the travel wish list.
Hello everyone, welcome to our talk show. Hello, today we will talk about countries. In my opinion, the Holland tulips are beautiful.
Alaska is amazing for summer, and there are lots of dogs and sledding. Australia, it's amazing. The trips in the kangaroo is very beautiful. The crocodiles are dangerous. I need to see them.
I like the idea. I want to go to China to see the American festival. The dragons of the festivals are very colorful. The Chinese monuments are very old. My favorite monument is the Chinese Wall.
I want to visit Hawaii because the beaches are amazing.
Yes, Hawaii is interesting. The plants are interesting and the beaches are cool.
Yes, I love Hawaii. It's beautiful and very tropical.
Yes, Hawaii is amazing! I also want to go to Hawaii.
Yes, we all have different dreams and that's great.
Thanks for listening to our travel tape.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
That was a great conversation. Thanks to the 5th grade B students for sharing their interest with us.
Now let's hear all about the special trip the 4th graders have just taken. They're in the Peter camp.
I bet they had an amazing time. Let's find out why they did and what they enjoyed the most.
Hello everyone and welcome to the social news. Today I'm going to tell you about the trip we did this last term. In May we went to Camp Mandrey for a 3-day trip. We saw beautiful landscapes and we had lots of fun on the zip lines. My favorite part was the night activities.
I liked the food we ate there.
We did an activity where I had to find the places in the book. And we had walkie-talkies to talk to the teachers once we arrived at the places.
I liked the activity where we had to use the reality virtual Google.
On the last night, we had a special dinner and dancing activity. I love it. Thank you to the teachers for organizing everything.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks to the 4th graders for that reward. It's so nice to see all the fun things happening at our school.
Great work, 4th grade.
Finally, it's time to end today's show with some fantastic music from the 2nd grade.
I'm sure they've prepared something amazing for us.
Hello, we are 2nd grade.
The more we get together, from action, fun, dance, by the Learning Station.
The more we're together, the more we're together, the happier we'll be. The more we're together, the more we're together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we're together, the happier we'll be.
That was incredible. What a fantastic way to end the show. Thanks to the second grade for that amazing performance.
We hope you enjoyed today's show. It's been a lot of fun sharing all of these amazing sections with you.
Thank you to all the classes for their fantastic contributions. You all did a wonderful job.
We'll see you next time for another exciting edition of Agnès TV.
Goodbye and take care, everyone.